Okay, my new lens, it's here. And let me tell you something. Look how they shipped it. Yeah, there's no box. That's the lens right there. I'm wrapping that up. I hope it's okay. Let's open it up and see. All right. Wow. That's it. There's no paperwork. There's no nothing. Now, I will tell you that this sucker is wrapped. It feels bomb-proof the way they've wrapped it, and it's supposed to be brand new. I bought it brand new. I didn't buy a refurbished one. I didn't buy a used one. And I didn't buy it from an individual. I bought it from a company. Let's get this. Wow. They wrapped the heck out of it, that's for sure. All right. It's bubble wrap with cellophane. Well, it looks like it's in really good shape. It had a barcode on it. It is the Canon EF-M, which is it's designed for the mirrorless cameras, which, as you know, I use the Canon M50. So this is the EF-M 18 to 55. So, and I got it, used, very good. Probably why I got it at such a good price. All right, let's put it on the camera. I mean, it looks brand spanking new. There's not a scratch, a ding, nothing on it. It looks like it's in great shape. Let's put it on the camera. It's nice because it is an EF-M lens, you don't need the adapter, and operates. It's got a good, nice, smooth.
No way. I'm not wearing these.
Good autofocus. Okay, well, I'm going to go out and take some shots with it, take some video with it, and I really like it a lot. I think it's better than that kit lens, and this is the kit lens that came with it. Again, it's broke, and it's really broke, and it got even worse when I started playing with it. There's the kit lens that came with it, and the back is completely destroyed, taken out. So gone is this, and it was a good and faithful lens, and I loved it. This is a 15 to 45 lens. Yeah, 15 to 45. This is a 18 to 55. So we're going to be excited about this. Stay tuned, because this will be what we use for future videos starting in the very near future. So All right, well, I was a little bit worried when I saw the packaging, but turns out that it, yeah, looks good. We'll go take some shots and throw some into this video. Maybe shoot a little bit of video with it real quick and see what it looks like. I still have my 50, this is the 50 millimeter Nifty 50, and it is, for those of you wondering, it is on, that's the Nifty 50 right there. That is the adapter that you need when you're using a mirrorless camera. And your lens is just, so this adapter allows you to use essentially any Canon lens. So it has the adapter that you need and all that. So anyway, yeah, I'm excited. This is a fantastic lens. I love this lens a lot. But it doesn't take great video for content like this. It takes great close-up stuff. It takes great portrait stuff. But when you're just trying to do video, this is not the best lens for that. This was a terrific lens for it. I hear that this is supposed to be a better lens for it, so we'll see. All right. Well, okay. New lens. This is the new lens that we're shooting with right now, and it's got good image stabilization. The autofocus seems to be working really well. Pretty happy with that, and I think it's going to be a good addition to our video arsenal. All right, well, hey, if you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give us a thumbs down. If you really didn't like the video, click it twice, and we really appreciate it. And I'm telling you, we really appreciate thumbs ups, thumbs downs, and all the comments that you leave with our videos. But the most important thing that you could do for us is share it with a friend. We really appreciate it. And with that, remember that a happy life starts in a happy place. My life just got a little happier because the lens has arrived. All right, have a good one, and we'll see you in the next video.